Now video, today is the 22nd of January. I'm going to show you guys the evidence of the vetiver's advantage using it in, where you have the ocean of seawater, of rainwater going through the land and it protecting the land for it not to lose the sand. So here you can see I'm in an area of the dam where the water goes by, and you can see all around the vetiver, and you can see the results. What basically the vetivers, even though they're on the water, they will stay do their work on the water to protect the land. See, all these areas was underwater, but they're still living. They are alive still. See, you could see all the dead part. These are dead, but they're still alive inside the roots. See where the water comes by, and the rest of the vetivers on the other side. But this is the path of very what do you call it, massive rainwater passing through here. So the vetiver are doing their job to slow down the rainwater. You could go see it all going that way. See, in all this direction here. You could see all the levels, and there you could see the water's going through so high, and they're still alive. See, so they can also live in water. I mean, live in waters, but after the water recedes, they're still maybe you can see lower a little bit, so you can see the results of the rainwater going by and the vetiver still staying in their ground. See, they're still doing their work, and then they will survive again. See, look at the bushes there. It's not dead. It was underwater, and now it's now surviving anyway, like all of these ones. So just to give you an example, the rainwater is rushing down here all the way there.